Welcome to our video on gear shaping, a crucial process in the manufacturing industry that involves the cutting of teeth on a gear to provide a smooth and precise transmission of power between mechanical systems. Gear shaping is essential for the production of gears used in various industries. In this video, we'll define gear shaping and explain how it differs from other gear cutting methods. Gear shaping is essential in the manufacturing industry due to its ability to produce gears with high accuracy and minimal errors. The gears produced through gear shaping are used in various applications, including power transmission, speed reduction, and torque multiplication. These applications require gears to operate smoothly and efficiently, which can only be achieved through precise manufacturing processes such as gear shaping. Gear shaping is a machining process that involves cutting the teeth of a gear using a gear shaper machine. The gear shaper machine uses a cutter with the shape of the gear teeth to remove material from the workpiece, resulting in precise and accurate teeth profiles. Gear shaping is different from other gear cutting methods such as hobbing or milling, which use different tools to create the gear teeth. Compared to other gear cutting methods such as hobbing or milling, gear shaping is more precise and accurate. Gear shaping can produce gears with complex tooth profiles that are difficult to achieve through other methods. Gear shaping can also produce internal gears, which cannot be produced through hobbing or milling. While gear shaping may be a slower process compared to other methods, the resulting gears are of higher quality and require minimal finishing operations. The video ends here. We hope that more and more people will be interested in the beautiful world of machine tools and metalworking as we are. We will try to do other videos that explain the working process as well as the showing our machines in action. Thank you for watching the video. Consider to leave a like and help us grow the channel. Our website is linked below with all our contacts. Interact with us. Grow with us.